do you agree that recording and recognizing is one thing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Actual payment is another.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, has PhilHealth paid all the recorded and recognized claims
Your Honor,
before it transferred the funds to the Treasury?
Your Honor, in a certain cut-off date, Your Honor, definitely hindi ho. Natin mababayaran lahat given
Hindi
that
lahat mababayaran.
still at the hospital pa yung
Yes.
claims, Your Honor.
Oh, even those that have already been processed and are just waiting to be paid, have you paid them all before funds were transferred to the Department of Finance?
In a given time, Your Honor, we should have still claims na
So
unpaid.
not
unpaid po.
all were paid,
Yes,
and
po.
yet you transferred the funds already.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.